Balchair Singh, who is currently seen on Star Plus show Ishbaz, as Omkara recently celebrated his birthday with India Forums. So without further ado, let's start the celebration with the cake cutting.
Happy birthday to you. 28.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you.
We also did a quick question and answer session with Kunal where he shared a lot about his birthday, personal life and more. Firstly, Kunal, what are your plans for this birthday?
So birthday plans are I'm going to be spending it with my dad and granddad. I'm going to be taking them out somewhere nice and for a good lunch or dinner. And yeah, that's about it. I don't think so because that's I think first birthday of mine that I'm taking an off because 28th night को obviously friends के साथ थोड़ा बहुत जो मेरे friends आएंगे मुझे पता है surprise देंगे मेरे दोस्त मुझे 28th को आके. So 28th night bring in उनके साथ होगा. So 29th is family.
A cake that would personify you. Red velvet classy, death by chocolate hot, black forest raw and raunchy.
So I think it's all three. Yeah. One red velvet, one death by chocolate and one black forest. Oof.
Your fondest birthday memory?
My fondest birthday memory is the first birthday party that I had and so बचपन में मेरा बर्थडे हमेशा से फैमिली के साथ होता था कभी सेलिब्रेट इतना हुआ नहीं है तो मेरे को याद है एक साल मुझे पार्टी चाहिए थी मैंने बोला यार मेरे सारे दोस्त बर्थडे पार्टी रखते हैं मुझे भी रखनी है so the first birthday party that my dad and mom had arranged for me I think that is the best memory for me.
Best gift you've ever received? Any weird gift that you've ever received? Craziest thing that you've done?
Craziest thing I've done ever in my life? I haven't done anything as such crazy. हाँ, I was in Australia. I was trying to bungee jump. तो मैंने पेमेंट सब कर दी और मैं एज पे गया सब बांध दिया उन्होंने मैं एज पे गया और नीचे देखा मेरे को हो गया वर्टिगो और मैं बोला भाई मैं नहीं जंप कर पाऊंगा. I won't be able to jump. I won't be able to jump. I'm telling that guy boss और मैं एकदम बच्चों की तरह रोने लग गया नहीं मुझसे नहीं होगा. उतने में मेरे से पहले जो भी गए थे ना तो मैं देखा था कि वो भी डर रहे थे ऑब्वियसली जो पहली बार कर रहा है इतना नीचे देख के डर तो लगेगा ही. तो मैं देख रहा था जो भी बंजी जंपिंग करवा रहे थे उन्होंने ऐसे पकड़ के ओके रिलैक्स कुछ नहीं वी टेकिंग ना फेंक देते थे और उधर मेरे अंदर जाग गया अपना हिंदुस्तानी लौंडा. तो मैंने बोला कि मैं उधर रो रहा नहीं मेरे को नहीं प्लीज. वो जैसे बंदा आया ना बोला ये सुन भाई हाथ भी लगाया ना तोड़ दूंगा तुझे यहाँ पे और यहाँ से बिना डर से ये फेंक दूंगा. मेरे को पता नहीं वो समझा कि नहीं उसको डर गया और पीछे हो गया उसने दूसरे वाले को भेजा खोलने. नो ऐसी बच्चों की तरह रोने लगे तो लोग देख रहे थे ये कौन है 26 साल का बच्चा.
A song that you're humming these days?
I hum a lot of songs. I always have a song of the day.
A pinch me moment for you?
Pinch me moment when I got to see myself on the billboards of Ishbaz all over the city and the promotions when I went for that entire phase, the initial phase of Ishbaz was an absolute pinch me moment that am I living this.
A style icon you look up to?
Style icon I look up to? Myself.
One performance you are proud of?
One performance I'm proud of Star Parivar Award Hamma water के अंदर एक 20 फुट की हाइट पे डांस करना एक छोटे से प्लेटफॉर्म पे. That was something I'll never forget.
Would you shave your hair for your current role?
For my current role, of course. Yeah. I can grow my hair. For this, why can't I shave it? अगर role demand है, why not?
One role for which you would swap Omkara?
The role of Heather, which I had played.
Your dream co-star?
My dream co-star Deepika. Ma'am, अगर आप by chance मुझे पता नहीं देखोगे पर बस by chance कभी आपने देख लिया तो मैं आपका बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ और मैं एक बार आपसे मिलना चाहता हूँ आपके साथ एक सेल्फी खिंचाना चाहता हूँ and so I hope someday I get to.
One thing you're obsessed in real life with?
One thing I'm obsessed in real life is actually I'm not obsessed with anything. I'm a very balanced person. मैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं ये नहीं है तो नहीं कर सकता हूँ नहीं जी सकता हूँ नहीं हो सकता है. But yes, somewhere if you want to know that मेरे close to जो है वो पैसा है यार. पैसा मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी नशा है.
If not an actor, you would have been?
A businessman.
3 things that top your bucket list.
3 things that top my bucket list: money, and love. Actually, no, it's actually my family, emotions and money.
If you had to sum up your life in a book title, what would it be?
Run for the money. No. Sum up my life in a book title, it would be Half Girlfriend. No. No, actually, it would be like, I don't know. Book title, The Complete Man. Yes.
Worst pickup line used on you?
The worst pickup line that used on me was, "Sir, you're my heater, I'm your ice cream, you make me melt."
What was your reaction then?
Thank you.
That's it.
Yeah, I better move away. I don't want you to melt.
Most challenging scene till date?
Most challenging scene till date was when इश्बाज में मेरा वो जो प्रियंका के साथ जो साइको ट्रैक चल रहा था जहाँ पे मेरे को एकदम पागल की तरह एक्ट करना था, एंड दैट वाज अ फेज दैट एक्चुअली टुक अ टोल ऑन माय ब्रेन आल्सो.
Favorite hangout spot in Mumbai?
Favorite hangout spot in Mumbai is my house.
One thing that brings a smile on your face?
Actually, all the love and appreciation that I keep getting from my fans, and the fact that I am working and I am doing something that I'm passionate about. So that's my motivation for the day, and that always brings a smile.
What turns you on in a woman?
Grace. The main thing that I like simple women. I don't like too flashy. So if a girl is simple, down to earth, that's my mantra.
One role that you regret doing?
No, actually no. Everything has been a learning lessons. But yes, one role if I could go back and not take would have been Chico in Dolly on Mano Ki.
Tell us about your first kiss.
First kiss was my mama. She kissed me on my cheek the day I was born.
Your relationship status?
Take a guess.
Who would you give the following return gifts to from the industry? A selfie stick?
Selfie stick. Aditi Bhatia from Ye Hai Mohabbat Hai.
A pet Nagin?
A pet Nagin. To Anika.
A kiss?
A kiss. Kiss to my brothers, Nakul and Linesh.
Lastly, message for your fans.
So thank you guys. Thank you for all your lovely wishes and all your lovely gestures and all your lovely gifts. It's really overwhelming and it's really touching. Just I'm actually at a loss of words. So it's just so overwhelming. So thank you.
On this special day, Kunal's friends Linesh and Mansi gave their good wishes to the birthday boy. Take a look.
कुणाल जयसिंह, तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000.
50,000?
हाँ यार, हैप्पी बर्थडे कुणाल.
Happy birthday, Kunal. God bless you.
इतना ही ऊपर बोल देना बैठा हुआ है.
Give us all the gifts
ये देख
and give us a good party. Yay.
पार्टी तो मिलने से नहीं, अपना दोस्त सिंधी है.
मिल भी सकता है.
And after a cake cutting with India Forums, Kunal also did a special cake cutting with his fans, where his fans seemed overjoyed for his birthday. Take a look.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kunal. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, I'm Kunal Jaising. You're watching me on India Forums. Cheers.
India Forums wishes Kunal a very happy birthday. Ashima Chavda, camera person Mangesh, India Forums, Mumbai.